All right, so same thing that we did before. We're not going to graph this one. This is a little different. We're asked to find the radius. So remember that the equation of the line, ooh, that's big. Let me zoom in a little bit. The equation out of a line of a circle is x minus h, that x is humongous, plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And they're telling us that h is equal to -4 and that k is equal to -3. Well, there's two ways to do this, but really, and then they tell us the point, it contains the point 2 comma 5. This is really the distance formula, right? And the distance formula, in other words, if I want to solve for r, don't I just take the square root of this side and the square root of this side? Whoops. And when I do that, I get that the square root of x minus h squared blah, 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 blah is equal to r. Now, you still have to do the plus or minus with r, but we would never write down a negative r. So you focus on the principal root. So what does that mean? Well, this is an x value, right? This is an x value. This is a y value. So we would say that 2 minus h, which is -4. So we got to say minus 4. Somebody will mess that up. Don't do that. Y, which is 5, minus k, but k is -3, so you're minusing -3 squared. Now on the next line, I'm going to say that what's 2 plus 4? 6, right? So this whole thing becomes 6. What's 6 squared? 36. This is a plus, so we're going to say 8 plus 3, which is, or I'm sorry, I said the answer. 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 squared is 64. And that's equal to r. Then 36 plus 64, isn't that 100? Is that 100? Yeah? Equals r. So what's 100? 10. The square root of 100 is 10. So the radius is 10. That was pretty easy, right? And then it says, well, write the equation of the circle. So I'm going to say x minus h, but we said that h was -3, so when you subtract -3, you're really adding 3, right? So you'd say x plus 3 squared plus y. No, wait. It wasn't 3, it was 4. I'm thinking of the old problem. This was 4. And now we have y minus -3, which is plus 3, or maybe that's what I was thinking of, squared. And it's equal to the radius squared. But the radius squared is 100, isn't it? Well, it's 10 squared, right? R equals 10. When you square both sides, you're going to get 10 squared. Any questions on that? Does that make sense?